In LawnPro, every customer has a status that tells us where they stand in our business. Sometimes customers take a break for a season. Sometimes they come back. Other times, we just need to clean up our active list. In this video, we'll walk through the different customer statuses in LawnPro and show how to change a customer from active to inactive and back again. Let's get into it. LawnPro has 4 customer statuses: active, inactive, written off, and deleted. Active means they're a current customer we're actively servicing. Inactive means we're not currently working for them, but we want to keep their record. Written off is for customers who owe us money that we've decided not to collect. Deleted removes them from our main list entirely. However, as we covered in a previous video, deleted customers can always be restored. In this video, we're focusing on active and inactive. Changing a customer to inactive. To mark a customer as inactive, click the Customer tab and then click Customers. Make sure your filter is set to active. Find the customer you want to change to inactive and click the pencil button. On their profile, click the status and change it to inactive. A pop-up will appear, and if you also want to remove all open visits and invoices not sent for the customer, you can do so. Once you confirm, the customer status will update to inactive, and you'll also have the option to set the exact date they became inactive. By default, it will use today's date, but you can change it if needed. You also can add a reason for their status changing to inactive. Changing a customer back to active is basically the same as changing them to inactive. Go to the Customer tab and select Customers. Change your status to inactive. Find the customer you want to change back to active and click the pencil button. Change the status back to active. It will ask if you want to recover properties and invoices that were not sent for this customer. Confirm. You will see that the status has changed back to active. This customer will now show back up on your active customer list. That's all there is to managing customer statuses in LawnPro. Keeping your statuses up to date helps keep your active list clean and makes it easy to find exactly who you're looking for.